Well, well, well. What do we have here? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Texas Jeep Dad coming at you with another video. Today, we're going to do an unbox and review and check out a new product I just received in the mail. The TYGER 16-in-1 multi-use shovel. Let's check it out. And before we get started, I should say I really like this company. I've done videos on their trifold bed cover, and also I just recently purchased the Jeep Gladiator tube doors. So I really like the company. I was in contact with them. They saw my videos, they liked what I was doing, and they offered to send me out a product. So I went ahead and picked this multi-use shovel. Figured I would replace the one that I already have. Let's see what I'm working with. So this is the shovel I currently have, and it doesn't really have a lot of options. It's okay, but it's kind of wonky, and it's only this long, and it just wasn't very useful. All right, let's see what we got here. Here's all the things it says it does. 16. All right. And TYGERauto.com if you want to check it out. Okay, got some instructions. Oh wow, so it looks like it's got a lot of things that it does here. Rock on. Let's open it up and then we'll check them out. There it is. Shovel, handles and attachments, strap, another handle here. Okay, so far it comes with a nice carrying case to put everything in, instructions. All right, I have unboxed everything, and there's quite a lot going on here. So the first thing I noticed is this is really heavy duty and sturdy. Way sturdier than my other one. This is nice. And the locking mechanism, I don't have to screw or turn it. That's solid. That's well made. Yeah, I like that. So it's easy to go from shovel to hoe to hook. Really easy. I like that a lot, man. That's nice. Let's go ahead and keep checking it out here. Okay, the first thing here we have is an ice pick. Okay, not a problem there. And then next thing is a screwdriver. So it has the end here, gives you the screwdriver bit, flathead, and Phillips. All right, I like that. This one looks like it has a lot going on. I like this. It's got a nice padded handle, so this is probably the end you're going to use the most. I think all of these unscrew out and you can swap them. It looks like they're interchangeable. Oh wow, so it's got a real sharp knife here, bottle opener, and it looks like a hacksaw. And then you can use this to get a disgorger, get the fish hook out of your fish, it says. Okay, not bad. What else we got going on here? And then, oh, on the end of this, let's see what's going on here. Oh, we got the fire starter. What is that, like a flint? Oh, that's cool. Little flint fire starter. And what is this? Bam, whistle. All right. And a strap. So let's see if we can find the 16 uses here real quick. Hammer, shovel, it already goes into the hoe, and then it goes into the hook. Then we've got a, let's see, oh no, we've got the saw, the ruler, and the axe, and then a wire cutter, all in the head of this shovel. And then ice pick. Then you've got the screwdriver, Phillips and flathead. And then you've got the disgorger. You've got a knife. You've got a hacksaw, a bottle opener, and then in the handle is the fire starter and the whistle. So let's put it all together here. And that's that. And that goes there. Everything fits real nice. This is sturdy. I like this a lot. This is way better than my other one. Alright, and finally, cool features, all 16 of them. Carrying strap. I like that these things are sharp here, but it's got a separate case for the head, and then everything else can be thrown in the carrying case with the strap. So this is way better than my other one. Mission accomplished. Thank you, Tiger. And there it is, all put together. The 16-in-1 multi-use shovel made by Tiger. All right, that's what I got for today. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my videos. Go ahead and check out the comments for a special offer on this product that'll be available for 30 days. Again, leave comments. Let me know what you think about this or any of my other videos. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a great day.